Hello, it's Natasha at craftwithme.com. Thank you for joining me today. I would like to share with you a layout that was inspired by this week's sketch challenge, and I used I think all October kits for this layout. So as I said, I was inspired by the sketch and I needed 3 photos for the sketch, and I found these 3 photos of my daughter on Brooklyn Bridge back in May 2018. And a funny thing was that she actually had a design on her shirt, on her sweatshirt, which looked very much like sketch. She had this floral arrangement. She had hello written on her sweatshirt and on the bed of florals. So I think it was perfect for the sketch, and the colors were perfect for our Hip Kids Club October kits. So anyway, I got 2 pieces of scrap paper, put them together and cut half of a heart, and then I arranged these 2 pieces of paper on a piece of white cardstock in the shape of a heart, and used this as a stencil and sprayed it with Pop Art Pink shimmered spray, which it was part of October color kit. And I really loved the subtle look that I got. Obviously you could make it brighter if you wanted, but I really wanted this subtle, soft heart, that not in your face heart, but very soft and subtle. And I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't take away from the focal image of the layout, that is the photos of my daughter and the florals. Then I added some blue splatters. It's Creamy's paint, also from the October color kit. A beautiful blue color, just gorgeous, and it went well with the blue of the jeans, of my daughter's jeans, and yeah, so everything just went so perfect together. I distressed the edges of my white cardstock, and I also decided to use a stapler, just a regular office stapler, because I thought that the metal of the staples would go nicely with the metal structures of pillars of the Brooklyn Bridge. So I decided to, and I thought that there was an interesting contrast between the softness of the heart and the florals and these metal staples. So now I'm playing with their Floral Ephemera. That's pink paisley ephemera from October embellishment kit, and also these Vicky Bouton ephemera pack from the main kit, from October main kit. So I'm just trying out this and that, what would go well with my page. And I liked this pop of black, and I decided to add some black. So here I'm using a stamp set, Heidi Swap stamp set from the Project Life October kit. And I'm just stamping the flowers in black ink, and of course I had to add black splatters. Well, duh. You know me, you know that I can't make layout without splatters, and usually black splatters. Okay, and so here again I'm just arranging the flowers. Yeah, and I don't want to waste these gorgeous flowers, so and I don't want really to hide them behind the photo, so I just cut them in half and use both parts. So yeah, so I'm being frugal. It's nice. I'm not like that. Okay, I really like how this layout turned out. I think the colors of the photos and the heart and the colors of the kit, everything just, it just worked perfectly well together. So now I'm working on the title. So I used these bold black phrase stickers are from September main kit, And I decided to use alpha stickers from September embellishment kit. I really like that they are multicolored and fun, and although they sort of are a bit lost and you don't really see these NYC letters, but I like that. I like that they were multicolored, because you know New York is like that. It's the mixture of colors, cultures, ethnicities, you know. So I really like how these letters turned out. So here are some close-ups. Thank you very much for spending some time with me. I hope you will play along with the sketch. Subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and see you again soon. Bye.